In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autofill in Smartsheet. Whether you're working on large data sets or just looking to save some time, understanding how to autofill efficiently can make your Smartsheet experience much more streamlined and enjoyable. Let's dive right into it. First, let's talk about using the drag fill feature for entering values or formulas. This tool can be incredibly handy when you want to extend data or apply a formula across multiple rows without having to manually enter it each time. To get started, select the cell that contains the value or formula you want to replicate. Now, here's the cool part. Once you've clicked on the cell, hover your mouse over the lower right corner of this cell. You'll notice that your cursor changes shape to become a crosshair. This is your signal that drag fill is ready to go. Once your cursor has taken on the crosshair form, it's time to click and drag. But where should you drag? Well, that depends on where you want to apply this value or formula. You can pull the crosshair up or down across the adjacent cells that you would like to fill. As you drag and release across the cells, you'll see the data or formula you selected initially will populate into the other cells you've chosen. A rather satisfying moment for anyone who loves efficient data management. For formulas, there's an additional clever trick behind the scenes in Smartsheet. It has an auto-adjust feature for row references. This means that as you drag the formula down or up, Smartsheet will automatically adjust the formula to correlate with the correct cell references in each respective row. It's one of those features that just makes life so much easier by ensuring that each row computes the right data without you needing to manually change the cell references. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you're now equipped to use the drag fill feature in Smartsheet like a pro, saving you time and reducing the potential for errors. As you incorporate this handy tool into your workflow, you'll likely find that it helps make your projects more seamless and your data tasks quicker. Autofill can be a game changer when dealing with extensive data sets, so I encourage you to try it out the next time you're working in Smartsheet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your Smartsheet experience. Thanks for watching, and happy Smartsheeting.